If this isn't your first attempt, you've probably checked online to build a resume and seen many free templates. But often these free websites request money before you can print or download. All you really need is a blank Word document available on our library computers. Open up Microsoft Word and let's get started. Let's start with your name and contact information. You'll want to include the way they're most likely to contact you, which is probably your phone number, but also include an email you check regularly and your physical address. First step, you want to list your skills. You want to make sure that the skills are relevant to the job you're applying for, and it's a good idea to read the job description right before you do this. You're going to use phrases and action words like quick learner instead of I am a quick learner. You'll want to list both soft skills and technical skills. Soft skills are things like quick learner, good with others. Technical skills are familiar with Microsoft Word. After you've listed all of your positive work skills, you want to list your work experience. And you're going to do that in reverse order, starting with your most recent job. You want to list the title of the job you had there, the company you worked for, and the dates that you worked. You're going to do the same thing we did before where we list tasks. These will be more specific to the job and again using action phrases. So saying trained new hires instead of I trained the new hires. This just makes it more clean cut. List the tasks that you did and things that you accomplished. Were you employee of the month? Did you get sent to training, management training, customer service, things that are relevant but that make you look good. Finally, you're going to list your education. Start with your high school and include the date that you graduated, your GPA if it's impressive, and then list any college or technical schools that you've attended, the date that you graduated, and a degree if one was awarded. Next, you want to format the resume so that it's easy to read and tidy. Center the name across the top, add bold headings, add a couple of bullet points, play around with it until it looks tidy and clean and fits the page comfortably. You can change the font or sizes, but we recommend you stick with a Calibri or a Times New Roman, a basic font, sized 11 through 14. You don't want to look like you're trying to pad the resume, but instead want to honestly display your skills. Last but most importantly, you want to take this time to proofread your resume for any spelling errors or incorrect dates. Here we've included a template that just has the information required, no examples. You can download this in the link below. Thanks for watching.